If you got products, you post them on Pinterest, they're gonna end up on Google. You need the testimonials to create social proof. You have to figure out what content works best for what you are selling. Listen, you guys, I know that in the beginning it can feel very overwhelming. Figuring out where to start, how to reach your audience, and most importantly, how to make sales. Trust me, you guys, I've been there and I know it can be very overwhelming and very confusing. But you guys, don't worry, by the end of this video, you are going to have actionable steps that are going to help you overcome these challenges and boost your sales, even if you're just getting started. So before we hop into this amazing video, I'm definitely going to encourage you guys to go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell so you will never miss one of these videos, you guys. They are absolutely free videos, you guys, free videos. People are charging courses for everything. This is free content that you guys can actually take notes, make actionable steps, and start to see progress. So go ahead and subscribe. Share this video to somebody who might find it beneficial. Your friend, she started a business, she needs to get sales, she needs help. This is the perfect video for her. This is the perfect video for you. Okay guys, so let's get into why social media is a game changer for selling. And when I say selling, it literally does not matter what you're selling. If you're trying to sell something, social media is a game changer. Okay, so first of all, more than half of the population in the entire world are on social media, which means there's a massive audience out there waiting for whatever you are selling. But of course, to sell successfully, you need to know the tricks of selling on social media. You can't hop into this and think you are going to automatically get sales. And I'm really sorry if people make it to appear that way. But don't fret, in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys exactly what you need to be doing. Okay, so the first step to mastering the art of selling on social media is choosing the right platform. Make sure you guys are writing this down. So I know, just like you know, there's a boatload of social media platforms. You got to pick one. Once you master one platform, then you can move on to learning another one. I'm pretty sure you guys know, but not all social media platforms are created equally. There is no one size fit all. But when it comes to selling, you need to figure out, as a business owner or a person who's trying to sell something, where your target audience is hanging out. Wherever they are, that's where you need to be. Instagram is amazing for visual content and influencer marketing. Facebook is going to be best for building a community, which we all need, and it's also going to be awesome for running targeted ads. TikTok is literally going to be the perfect thing for going viral with short form content. Pinterest is an amazing tool to use for driving traffic to your website. If you got products, you post them on Pinterest, they're going to end up on Google. So YouTube is going to be amazing for long form content like doing product reviews, tutorials, and building a loyal subscriber base that are going to trust your recommendations. So the second step to mastering selling on social media is going to be building trust and authority. You guys, one of the most important keys to successfully selling on social media is building trust. Trust me, people do not want to feel like they're always being sold to. Instead, they are looking to buy things, buy services from someone who they trust that is recommending it, which is literally why I believe in community service content. So I believe this concept was created by Myron Golden. So this is basically when you create free, valuable content that is going to help your subscribers, help your community, and that is going to lead them to trusting you. Creating free, valuable content is basically going to tell your followers that you know exactly what you're talking about. Like, you know your shit. I mean, stuff that actually works, like stuff that they can actually use. Those people are going to begin to trust you, and they are more likely to purchase whatever you are trying to sell them. Another cool thing about that is that when you create community service content, your people are going to begin to recommend you to other people for free, because in return, you're creating free, valuable content where they can actually take the steps and grow and see progress. And then they are going to refer you to their friends and their family. Same thing. If you come out with a product and they really like the product and they're seeing results, they are going to refer that product to their friends and family. Okay, so when it comes to building a brand, you want to make sure you're doing these following things. One, which we just spoke about, providing free value. Two, you want to be engaging with your community authentically. Three, you want to be showing testimonials, you guys. You need the testimonials to create social proof. So the third step to mastering the art of selling on social media is to create a content strategy that is going to drive you sales, you guys. Okay, so obviously you're creating content to drive sales. So you have to make sure whatever content you're posting is going to inspire action. Like, it's going to inspire the people to take action. So when you're posting this content, tell the people to click a link. Click the link below. Click the link in the description. Click the link in a bio. You're going to be telling people to engage, comment certain type of words, give their opinion, or even using the CTA to go ahead and make a purchase, to get it now while it's still available, while it's still in stock. There's only a limited amount. So 1, be sure your CTA is clear. 2, you want to make sure you are creating a sense of urgency. Get it now while it's on sale. 3, you must make sure it tells a story. 3, tell a story that is going to connect to the followers, to the viewers emotionally. And of course, most of all, you have to make it easy for the audience to take action. Like, they don't need to be looking around for everything. That's literally why they created ManyChat. You want to make it easy for people to purchase. You want to make the entire checkout process as smooth as possible. I'm telling you guys now, the more effort it takes for people to do something, the less they are willing to do it. You got to remember to never overdo your CTAs. You have to incorporate them where they seem authentic. Finally, the 4th and last step to mastering the art of selling on social media is to track and optimize. I'm sure you guys know, but social media always provides a bunch of analytics and insights. Guys, these features are not there for no reason. Like, they're there for a reason. You just have to learn how to properly use them. If you learn how to use your insights and your analytics, you're able to tell what works for you and what doesn't. So you want to be sure you're tracking things like your post reach, your engagement per post, and your follower demographics. I want you guys to be in your analytics looking for what is working best for you. Whether it's photos, reels, carousels, stories, or even live videos, you have to figure out what content works best for what you are selling. Which piece of content gets the most engagement, which piece of content converts and gets you the most sales. You guys, each one of these platforms have these features. So as you guys can see, selling on social media is not as hard as it seems. But you guys have to. You absolutely must have strategies in place. So I really hope that you guys can watch this video and take these tips, build a strategy, and you can start to see results. If you guys love this video, I know that you will absolutely benefit from this video here, which is going to teach you guys how to find your target audience, because you can't market, or you can't market to your target audience if you don't know who your target audience is. So this is a free course right here. It's going to help you guys to figure out who your target audience is, so then you can know how to market to them and use the strategies for getting sales. So that's going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, you guys, peace and much love. Bye, guys.